Hello YouTube. So today I'm at my brother's house, and he didn't tell me that his ghost pepper plant is pretty much ready, and this thing's humongous. This thing is like about 5 feet wide in like both directions, so 5 feet this way, 5 feet that way. And as you can see, it's freaking loaded with peppers everywhere, like literally everywhere. Yeah. And like, yeah, this thing, and like this branch fell over, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna cut them all, hopefully. All right, let's see how many we collect. All right, so it's been like about 15 minutes, and I have half a basket full, and I've only done basically this part of the plant, and then I still have all of that to go. This is gonna be tough. I'm already sweating, but I do have gloves on because, you know, these are pretty spicy. All right, hopefully my battery doesn't die out in the sun, but let me get back to this, see how much I get. All right, so it's been like about another 15 minutes, and this little basket's already full. I basically cut all the ones along that side of the plant, and then I basically just cut everything along the floor, and I'm gonna make my way towards the center right here, and then probably work my way on that side. But yep, I'll cut them all. And then there's a bunch that like were already half eaten. I'll just probably just throw those on the ground. Hopefully they grow next year. All right, let me get back to this. All right, so stepped on a mushroom. Well, it's been like about an extra 10 minutes, and I filled this one up, filled some of that, and I pretty much have the center of the plant and over there, and I'm really tired. Whew. Well, maybe I'll come back another day and finish the job. But thank you guys for watching. I'll turn these into salsa, give them away, weaponize them, do something with them. But got a bunch. This is probably like maybe 5 pounds total, 4 pounds total. But yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.